Are you looking for a new editing app? Now that CapCut is now making almost all their features pro, and you are like me that don't have money for monthly or yearly subscription, if you watch this video to the end, I'll be revealing a new editing app you can use for your videos, and it's very easy to use. Hello guys, welcome back. How you all doing? So in today's video, I'll be revealing and teaching you how to navigate this new editing app that you can use for your videos. CapCut now is now making things difficult for content creators that don't have money to pay for their monthly or yearly subscription because it's annoying. I've not started any and you want me to be paying this huge amount of money just to edit my video and post. Is really annoying. So I discovered this new editing app. Make is on App Store. You can download it before we go into business. In this app, you can use it to make your thumbnails. The app will help you to make thumbnails. You can edit the thumbnails, edit your videos in different ways, stylish way, professional way. This app is just so amazing. Let's dive into the app. Make sure you download your VMake before I start teaching you how to navigate the app. Let's go.
If you don't have the app, you go to your Play Store or your App Store. You search for VMake. This is the app over here. I've downloaded it, so I'll just go ahead to open it. So this is the app. This is the app. This is the app. If you want to edit your video, just go to create talking video, select the video you want, start. You have to give it time for the thing to finish loading. It takes time. Okay, you can see.
Are you looking for a new editing app?
So if you want to edit this one, this silent all this silent, this first one is not useful, so I'll just go ahead to delete this. I'll just go ahead to delete this one for item. I'll delete it. If you want to, if you don't want to, you can leave it. Then you can edit all this. If it's not, like, if the write-up is not what you are saying, sometimes they misspell what you say. You just go here and edit it. After editing, you save. Like this one now, the CapCut is not correct. I'll just go ahead, cancel CapCut, and click on save back. So if you want to use template for your video, if you don't want
Are
it
you
to be
looking for a new
this
editing
basic,
app?
like this,
Now that CapCut
just this, without
has not
any stylish stuff, you can
amazing,
come down
let's
here,
dive into
see
the
template,
app.
you click on
Make sure
templates, you choose the template you want to use. If it's this, you just choose it. If it's this one, you choose it. If you can go to simple, choose anyone. If it's creative, you choose anyone. Let's say I want to use this creative one. I'll come to this. I want to use scratchbook. I'll click on scratchbook. I'll allow it to load. So just allow it, just give it
Are you
time.
looking for a new
See,
editing
you can
app?
see the
Now
template.
that
See how
CapCut is now
this one
making
is.
almost
This is
all
very
their features
stylish,
pro, and you are like
and sometimes it adds clip. This is the clip I'm
very
talking
easy
about.
to
It adds
use.
clip
Hello
to your
guys,
video.
welcome back. Are you all
See the
doing?
clip I'm
So
talking
in
about.
today's video,
This
I'll be
clip,
revealing
that clip that
and
I add, you just add different clips relating to what you say that will go with it. It will add clip for you, and it will zoom in, zoom out
are
your
you looking for
face,
a
and
new
it's very nice. But if you don't want it, you can go ahead to cancel it. And if you want to edit more, you just see edit, you come here, edit. So whatever you want to edit, if you want to remove this first paper, this particular paper, see it here, see it down here, you click on it, delete. Or if you have something else that you want to put there, you can replace it. why did all this line and line and line? You can delete it. Just edit it to your own liking. If you want to remove all this zoom out, zoom in, you can edit or replace sound, edit or replace. Then if you are done with everything, you can go ahead to save it to your phone. Then for the thumbnails, see it see it here, AI thumbnails. You click on thumbnails. If it's video or, sorry, let me go back. If it's image or video thumbnails you want to do, you just go ahead to click on anyone you want to do. Let's use image thumbnails. Click on image thumbnail. Which image do I want to use? Let's say I'm using this. And you, which app you are creating these thumbnails for. If it's this for TikTok, this for Instagram, these two are for YouTube. Let's say I'm creating for YouTube now. I'll click on this one or this one. Let's use this one. You click on confirm. You reduce, if you want to edit, reduce the picture to your liking. Then what do you want to write? New app, new editing, editing app. You can just, what you want to write, you write it. If you want to polish the write up, see polish, you come here. I don't think I can use this pro today because I've used it like 3 times. Creating of thumbnails. I've used it. Okay. You can see it has created a new write up for me. Discover the new editing app with advanced. You just click on generate. I doubt it will not generate for me. Let's pray it does. So it's 3 trial a day that you can use. So I will add the clip of, I've made a clip before of how to use this one, so I'll just add it to this. Click on generate thumbnails. Give it time to generate the thumbnails. And each day I think we have 3 trial. You can not 3 trial, sorry, you can use the app 3 times for free to edit your videos. So you can now go ahead, see it has generated a thumbnail for me. You can go ahead to edit. If you don't want this one, generate more. But I have one more trial to go. Okay, see this one. Can edit it yourself. Edit edit as you want it to be. As you want it to be. Let's say I'll leave this one here. This app, okay. This one, yeah. Just edit it as you want the thumbnail to be. You can edit it yourself. So after you are done, you will just save it. So that is how it works. Like that is how it works. So you yourself, you can just download the app, navigate it yourself, try new things, because I can't teach everything on this video. If I do, it will be really be long. And see recording, you can go to record. If you want to record from here, you can record, edit and all. So that is it. You just click on video recording, allow. Hi guys, how you all doing? So that is it. And if you are done recording, you save. Hi guys, how you all doing? So that is it. So if you are still watching till now and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Make sure you engage on the video, you like, you comment, so that YouTube or TikTok or Facebook will push the video to the right audience that needs to watch this. Bye guys, see you all in my next video.